Unlocking calendar automation.
Automating your digital calendar is a powerful way to ensure you never miss important tasks or appointments. By combining smart features and simple routines, you can transform your calendar into a proactive assistant that keeps you on track, all without extra effort. Let's explore how you can make calendar automation work for you, step by step.
Choosing the right calendar app.
Begin by choosing a widely used digital calendar such as Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or Apple Calendar. These apps offer built-in automation and integrate well with other productivity tools. Set up your account on your devices, ensuring you have easy access from your phone, computer, or tablet for maximum convenience.
Setting up automated reminders.
Automated reminders are key to never missing a task. Add events with clear titles and select notification times, such as 10 minutes, 1 hour, or a day before the event. Most apps let you customize multiple reminders for each entry. Activate push notifications or email alerts so your calendar always notifies you at the right moment.
Recurring events and task automation.
Save time by automating repeating tasks. For meetings, bill payments, or regular deadlines, set events to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. In your calendar settings, choose the recurrence frequency, duration, and any exceptions. This way, you never have to remember to add ongoing obligations. They'll appear automatically.
Integrating with other tools.
Take automation further with app integrations. Connect your calendar to task managers like Todoist or Trello, email or collaboration apps. Automate creating calendar events from emails or to-do lists and sync your schedule across platforms. This reduces double entry and keeps all your reminders in one place.
Tips for staying on track.
To maximize results, regularly review your calendar and adjust automation settings as your needs change. Color coding, clear event descriptions, and time blocking can help you visualize and focus on tasks. With these simple steps, calendar automation becomes a reliable support system, ensuring you stay organized and never miss a task again.